When God closes a door, trust Him. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa bawat isa. Ako si Pastor Wes at ito ang Magkape. May pinto bang sinara ang Diyos na hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa rin siya maintindihan? Akala mo blessings na pero biglang nawala. Akala mo yes pero naging no. What if that closed door is not rejection? What if it's God's protection? Yan yung devotion namin kanina sa Magkape. Nasa 1 Samuel chapter 29 na po kami. Doon namin nakita kasama si David sa army ng mga Philistine. Pero nang makita siya ng mga Philistine commanders, hindi sila pumayag na sumama siya sa gera. Sabi nila sa verse 6, I have found nothing wrong in you, nevertheless, the Lords do not approve you. So, David was told to go back. Imagine natin, David was rejected from something he was already part of. Pero, titignan natin ang bigger picture. God was actually protecting David. Kung sumama kasi si David sa battle against Israel, imagine nyo, nandun siya sa terrible at sa complicated situation, fighting against his own people. Grabe, di ba? So, what looked like rejection was actually God's providential protection. Sa Proverbs chapter 6 verse 9, basahin ko po sa inyo. The heart of a man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps. The Hebrew idea behind establish points to God directing or making him the first steps of a person. In other words, we make plans, di ba? But God sees the whole picture and can redirect our steps. Kaya, kapag may door na sinira na ng Diyos, don't immediately say, Lord, bakit mo ito kinuha sa akin? Ang mas magandang tanong doon ay, Lord, what are you protecting from me? Remember, sometimes God's no is not because He doesn't love you. Mahal na mahal ka ng Panginoon, kaya prinoprotektahan ka sa mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita. So, when God closes a door, trust Him. Sinarado niya ang pintuan can be part of His perfect direction for your life. Kung may kakilala kang nagtatanong how to get to heaven, meron po akong link diyan sa description. I-copy mo yon at isend sa kanya. Again, ako si Pastor Wes na laging nagsasabing, be an inspiration at solusyon po. Ingat po kayo. God bless everyone. Bye.